That's my cat. This is dog food he brings. Gordon. This is my cat playing fetch with dog food. He's a weirdo. He's been doing this all morning. Don't hide under there. Bring it here. Where is it? No, you're done. Are we done?